right?
Yes, sir.
You all have gone through the motion of the progressive group task and whatever. So today what we will do is to give an experience to the whites who are just 1 week lesser than you guys. I have nothing more to teach you guys. So what we'll do is, I'll give you one progressive group task and you people have to perform. And after you complete, all of you will be assessed by your own colleagues. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So the way you will be assessed is, first 43 will comment on 20, then 22, 9, 19, then 45 will comment on each one of you based on those 15 qualities, right? And after you comment, the last part of your comment should be score. You have to give them a score, each one of them. And the score is out of 100. The score is out of 100. And pass mark is 50. Be ruthless. Be fair. This is not SSB. This is you are judging your own colleagues. Next week, it would be you who will be standing there and you will be standing there. Understood? So each one of you will assess each one of them. And at the end, you will give marks out of 100. Pass mark being 50. My request, don't only observe the people who are performing. Also observe the background, the people who are doing nothing. You have to assess them also. Understood? Any doubts, whites?
Okay. Let me. Wait. Go down. Wait a second. Let one more guy come. Wait. Okay. Bro, make a cantilever. Okay. Yes. A little bit close. Wait. Use the tie. Put the rope at the very end. I think gentlemen, you should go from this airport. You need to go from this airport. No. There is no need to go. So it's something go. We can take a rope on Bali. We can go there. Okay, buddy. We can go. We can make a bit. Where is it? I will make a bit. Now going down.
Bali will come here. There is 30. Listen to it. Check the distance. Push the back. Just go ahead. Okay, go chest number 2. Okay, you can sit in. Come down. Okay. So give the plan here. Chest number 2. Come on. Give the rope. I have to send the plan. Very careful. Fast. Okay. Just make a way. Just make a switch. Bro. If it's not working, no, just hold it. We can back what you. No, we can stand here. Exactly. Backward. Give me a rope. Wait. Put it there. Put it there. Put it there. Here. Wait a second.
I mean, you say like put like this. 1% may go there. Now, point the blank. Okay. Do this. Now stand.
No. We can use this side. We can try this one. Otherwise, where you are standing? It's too far. Go. 22.
Next side.
Where you are standing? Moving up.
Yeah. It's okay. Okay. Okay.
No, we now part of the okay. Where is the plan to me? Don't pass the time here. Indicating crowded. But we have to take Take long step.
Okay, gentlemen, I got your idea. All of you have reached there. Leave one person. Rest all of you come to the finish line. 1 and 2 can stand here. 1 can stand there. Rest of you go to the finish line. Leave one person there. Now I want you to retrieve the last person and your helping material.
That's pretty. Give it that.
Rest can go to the finish line.
No, we want the because we need to put the blank here. Don't do the same thing. We can type it. Yes, you need to understand. Type the. Actually, it looks. You need to know more. That's number 9.
Go.
Just make it so that we can just pull it easily.
Pull back. Keep that one. You will lead the rope.
Just
Slide it.
Okay, thoda pa.
See, just number 22. Where you are sitting now. Place the plank there. Slide it.
We can tie the tire rope on the end of that. No, it will be this is also keep the rope now. Now tie the rope. Just keep the rope. Use the rope. Either you tie the rope at the end or we put it there. Yeah. Okay, just place it on the rope on the side. Now look at the length.
Yeah, it's okay.
It's okay.
You
Let us give.
wait.
You hold the rope.
No, you hold the rope. You remove like you at this level.
Yes. Okay, take the. Wait.
This one person move to this
You take the rope. You take the rope.
We have to.
Just number
Okay, I got the idea. Good. So, all the greens, please come here. Your own assessment from your own colleagues. The rules of the game I already told you. Okay?
I think we should refer to them as their chess numbers. Most often you're referring to their some other names. So 70 marks. Chess number 21, 50. Low participation. Yes, you were trying to communicate, but it wasn't as effective as others. 20, I will give you 80 because very good communication. You told your ideas to everyone in very clear and precise manner. So 80 marks. 19 also 80 marks. You also told the ideas very well. At the same time, there was a time when you just went a bit low. You could have improved that better. Just number 11, 75 marks. You did very good initiation, but at the same time, in some of the parts you are a bit down. You could have improved much better, but overall you performed very well in the while you're here. And now chess number 9, I give you 90 because both in the ground and outside you are very good at participation. You give out your ideas clearly. You talk to others in a very good manner, good communication, and the ideas you implemented was very good. Chess number 6, I would give you 70 because I mean you are not here. You are a spectator. You did told your views and ideas, and it was very good. But the thing was, you weren't able to influence others. Your voice was a bit too low, and it was unable to reach everyone and influence them. Chess number 4 also I will give you 90 marks because you like 9 executed the plan very well, identified what the plan was and what to do. Also you understand that how to move as a teammate, to do as a teammate, and understand and executed and performed your ideas as well. Chess number 3 I would give you 75. The same reason you talk, I mean you have implemented your ideas, but it was not that much, just a little bit only, but you could have improved much more. You were on the ground most of the time, but still I didn't show you as much as effective as others. Now chess number 2 I will give you 75. You did perform well, but at the same time your communication was a bit low. Yes, there was instances where you have performed well. At the same time, when I look at the overall performance, there was chances where your communication went down a bit low. Now chess number 1 I will give you 80 marks. You are not on the ground at this, but as a spectator you had performed very well. You have given your ideas and in a clear and precise manner. You have pointed out to them where the objects must be kept in place. So 80 marks. Thank you.
So chess number 22 I'll give you 85. You were good initiator, you were good leader, but at the same time you were not listening to what most of your teammates were saying. You were not cooperative and you were hurrying too much. 21 I would give you 60 because at the starting you were just saying, yeah, good, keep it up, yes, you were giving ideas, but it wasn't that influential. 20 you were good. I'll give you 75 because I could only see you at the last performing. So on basis of that, I'll give you 75. You were overall good. 19, I didn't hear that much from you. You were good spectator, good listener, but that is not enough, I guess. So you should speak a little bit more. I'll give you 60. 11, you were good. You were a good team worker. So I would give you 79. You were overall a good, you could be a good initiator, maybe a leader too. You were working pretty well. There were few fouls made by you, but yeah, so for that I'll give you 75 just because of the fouls. 6, I could hear you loud and clear whatever you were saying. So you were nice on that part. You were nice being a team worker, and overall I'll give you 75. 4, 80 because you initiated it, you made few fouls, you just walked from there to here. So I'll give you 65 for that. But overall you were interacting with everybody, you were telling your ideas and you were giving your inputs. So for that I'll give you 85. 3, at the starting I didn't hear that much from you, so but you were trying to give your ideas. On the basis of that I'll give you 65. 2, you were nice, you were a good team worker, you can be a leader too, you were having great ideas, and you were a good listener and also a good team worker. I said that, but so for that I'll give you 90. 1, at the starting I just saw you standing there and observing everybody. As an observer you were nice, but you should give your input more because I didn't hear you until you were there. So for that I'll reduce your marks to 65. Thank you.
Okay, first quality of a personality trait, that was very good. So I would give you 90 out of 100. And 21, I think if you got a chance, you would have done it, but as we are running shortage of time, I think you have not got the time. But you were silent, you at least involve in the group, like you can say by standing outside, you can you can lead the group also, you can say like you have to do this, but you were silent, so I will give you 60. Chess number 20, yes, I liked you have pulled the bully, that was good, and so I would give you 80, and you were good as a leader also. Chess number 19, same, like you didn't get a chance to perform, so I would give 80. As a observer you were very good. Chess number 11, you were also good, leading part, you like gave idea to the group and all. So 80 marks for you. And yes, chess number 9, you were also good. You started the So that was a leader like quality you have initiated. So I will give you marks 90.
Very generous, giving you people the scores. All of you are Chief of the Army Staff material is going to get 80, 90, ye wo. And I told you the minimum pass for the vacancy. Anyway, but the idea was to get the feedback, which you probably got. Some of them told discreetly, some of them gave it something, right? So today, agreed, the last day, at least with me. All the very best. Take it. Whatever feedback, take it. What she's trying to say is, it's nice to come to any institution and learn. Even a baby today, to get entry into a good school, goes to a feeder institution, which is called a coaching school. So there's nothing wrong. Provided, be yourself. Be yourself. Don't use terminologies which are not common. That's the first thing that you guys. But otherwise, all of you have done well, and next week you will be standing there, somebody else will be standing there. Right? So all the best.